Hello everyone. In this video, you are going to learn about copy paste range activity in UiPath, which will copy set range from the current sheet to a given sheet and position. So to explain you here, I have created a sample Excel file, and here you can see some data, sample data about product information like product name, price, quantity, and the total price. And the sample Excel file name is product pricing. So this is my source sheet and destination sheet, and here I'm going to copy this data from source sheet to destination sheet using copy range activity in a UiPath. So here I have applied a formula on the column total price. So when I click on any cell, you can see the formula here, and you can see I have applied some number formatting like currency in the column price, and also there is a formatting in the column names. So these column names are in bold and color is blue. So let me copy this data to destination sheet from UiPath. So let's go to UiPath and click on this plus icon and search for Excel application scope activity. So this activity will allows you to open Excel application and to interact with the Excel files, and you need to provide the path of the sample data or a sample Excel file, and my sample data is product pricing. Let me open this and click on this plus icon and search for a copy paste range activity. So click on this activity, and in the properties panel you need to provide some values like destination cell, destination sheet, source sheet name, and source range. So destination cell is nothing but the start cell for the range to be pasted. So this is nothing but in the destination sheet from where you want to paste the data. So I want to paste the data from A1. I will just give the cell name A1 within double quotations in destination cell, and the destination sheet name is destination sheet itself. So let me copy this and I will paste it within double quotations, and the sheet name, which is nothing but the source sheet name, and the source sheet name is, so from this I'm going to copy the data. The source sheet name is the source sheet. Let me copy it within a double quotation, and the source range. So I want to copy the entire data from A1 to D11. So let me write as A1 to D11. Okay, so I will explain about this later, like copy items. Here you can see some options like value, formula, number format, cell format. So by default it is selecting the option all. So let it be. If I run this board, you can copy the data from sheet 1 to or source sheet to destination sheet as it is, with the formulas and with the number format or with the cell format exactly. So let's check in the destination sheet. So here you can see the data from the source sheet to destination sheet is copied exactly with the formulas. So if I click on any cell, you can see the formula here, and with the number format also. Here you can see the number format, and with the cell format, like you can see the column names are in bold, and column names are in different font size and different color. So let's go to UiPath Studio. If I select only value here instead of all, let me run this bot again. The execution is ended. Let's check in the destination sheet. So here you can see if I click on any cell, you cannot see the formula because now we are excluded the formula from this option. So we are excluded the formula. We are selecting only values to be copied from sheet 1 to sheet 2 or source sheet to destination sheet. That's why you cannot see any number formatting like currency symbol in this price column, and there is no formula in the total price column, and you cannot see the formatting of the column names such are in a blue color or bold or in different font size. It is copying only the values. Let's go to UiPath Studio and select the next option. And now I will select value and formula. and cell format, but I'm not selecting number format. Let me run this board. Execution is ended. Let's check the files. Let me check the destination file. Now you can see when I click on this cell, you can see the formula here, and the cell format also copied, but you can see the number format like the currency symbol is not copied because I have excluded that number format. So if I include this, you can also get the number format in the destination sheet. So this is how to use copy paste range activity in UiPath with different options like value, formula, number format, cell format. So if you like this video, please do subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.